Hello and welcome to Physics 2 here at Thomas University. My name is Professor Jim Cathey. I'll be a professor for this course. I am based in Springfield, Missouri in the Ozark Mountain region. Let me go over two things with you in this introduction video to the course. One, we'll go over the topics we're going to cover, and two, how you will be graded on these topics and what the layout of the courses. Now, if you were in my Physics 1 course last semester, this will all be pretty similar styling to you, the way I put it together. In this class, we'll be talking more about electricity, electric charges and electric fields, electric potentials, electric current, resistance, and Ohm's law, circuits, AC and DC circuits and instruments, magnetism, electromagnetic induction, and electromagnetic waves. That's a very important one. Geometric objects, that I think you'll like. Vision and optical instruments. These are two very important chapters for those of you going into the medical health fields. Wave optics, special relativity. Now we start really getting into the crunch of hardcore physics. Introduction to quantum physics, atomic physics, also very important in the medical field if you go into nuclear medicine. Radioactivity and nuclear physics, very important. And then we'll finish up with the medical applications of nuclear physics. So, with that, what you'll have is a series of PowerPoints each week. We're using an open source textbook from a company called OpenStax. It's the same textbook we used in Physics 1. It just goes deeper, more chapters into it. It's in the syllabus, and you can download it as a PDF. You can also order a copy of the book, but I would suggest just looking at it on an iPad or a Kindle or online. That's what I do, is look at it online. And I pull resources from not only OpenStax, but also I get videos and additional PowerPoints from two other textbooks. So not all the time will these extra resources coincide with the same chapter that we're on. So if I say we're doing chapter 18 on electric charge and electric field, you'll see one PowerPoint that is from OpenStax that says chapter 18, but the other two may be a different chapter number. And the notes that I put out may be a chapter number different. So just understand that, and I'll clearly label what chapter we're looking at here, but understand that the extra resources I bring in to help you out might have a different chapter number in that sequence for that book. Okay, and then I'll put up some notes. A lot of times we'll have some pre-lecture videos for you to watch that will be very informative to help you out understand the concepts here. We do have a lab. The lab kit is the same lab kit that you used last semester, so you do not have to buy a new lab kit. There are 11 labs that we're going to do, and they're going to be the first 9 weeks of the class. So they start off right from the start with a lab on static electricity, and we go on through radioactive decay at the very end. So have that lab pack ready to go, and we use the hands-on labs HLL cloud labs, so they're online on the cloud. You'll do them online, and I'll be able to see them that way easier. So how will you be graded? Each week you're going to have questions and problems from the back of the textbook. The questions are more of a qualitative nature, asking if you understand the concepts, and then the problems will be algebra-based, mathematically based. So we will have quizzes every week. That's 20% of your grade. The 11 labs combined is 15% of your grade. Your homework assignments are 20% of your grade, and exams, you'll have 2 exams throughout the course. That's 20%, so 10% for each one. No real midterm per se. We'll just put these in thirds. There won't be any chance for you to work ahead. I do this on Sundays, the day before I release it. So you'll always get an email on Sunday in the afternoon or evening when everything's ready to go and assigned. And if you want to get a jump start on things, you can go on Sunday night and take a look at things. And with that, I'm happy to be your professor for this course. Be sure to reach out to me if you have any questions or concerns. I look forward to seeing you online in Physics 2. Thank you.